Good morning. I know I look like crap. I actually just woke up. I fed Khaleesi, and last night I slept with freaking on the mattress with my bottom sheet covering me because it was cold, because I was so tired that I left my top sheets in the dryer. So right now I'm fixing my bed and making that, and so yeah. Chloe! Good enough. So now I'm gonna go get my pump parts. I'm gonna put that together so I can pump a little bit. So yeah. Okay, so now it's time to pump. Which I will not be showing me pumping because I don't want nobody seeing my titties.
Khaleesi fell asleep breastfeeding. She has a little milk stash. Uh-oh. She's gonna get angry. She's gonna stay asleep.
I want you to know that I am fully committed to this union. I know that ours might never become a great love, but I do believe we could have a congenial life together.
Oh, she's angry. She says, I want more milk.
Alright, well, while Khaleesi is here being content, which I'll show you. She's right here. While she's happy. I'm going to have a little snack. And then I'm going to do some laundry. Yes, do some laundry. Because my mom, she's coming home at around like 2:30, so I have to have her ready by 2:30 because we are going grocery shopping today. And I'm not sure what else. I might go on a walk later at the park and take Khaleesi since the weather is not too cold or not too hot. But yeah, I'll see what's, I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, you're gonna talk? Gonna talk? Let's see if I can get her to talk. Can you talk for Mama? Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Can you see Mama? Mama? Yeah? What about smile? Can you smile? Uh-oh. Smile. She says, no. I want titties again. Alright, so it's been 2 hours. It's now 11:10, so I'm about to pump again.
Your answers can.
Oops. So it's 11:25, and I'm about to go downstairs and deal with the laundry. And I'm going to put Khaleesi in her bassinet, and she's probably going to get very, very, very angry because she does not like her bassinet. She wants to be held and with Mama 24/7, every second. You have stuff all over your nose. Stuff all over your nose. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put her in her bassinet. Don't cry. Khaleesi's getting angry now. It's only been 2 seconds. Don't get mad. I'll pick you up when I'm done. It's okay, baby. Khaleesi. I have to clean. You've been fed and changed. Okay, well, anyways, I'm going to start putting this stuff in that. And then I'll be going downstairs. Because I don't like her to cry that much. It's good for her to cry, but I don't like her crying for a long amount of time. Even though I know she's fed well and, you know, she just wants to be close to Mama, you know. Khaleesi. Hey, baby. Hey. I'm just gonna pick. It's okay. Come here. Oh, you get mad. Oh, okay. It's okay. Look. Say, I wasn't even there that long. So sometimes, I just take her right here and I walk around the room like this, and I just pat her back. She likes looking around. You like looking around. Oh, I don't know if you guys see Brace. Like looking around. She's all good. Yeah. She likes looking out this window over here, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. I decorated it. Yeah, I decorated it so I'm like in the fall mood right now, and my face is being cut off. You watch. She's holding her own head up. Look at that. Still a little bit wobbly sometimes, so I'm making sure. Now lay down. Here. Chloe. This is my Chihuahua, Chloe. She has no teeth, but I do need to clip her nails because they are getting long. And that's not yours, Chloe. But yeah. Uh-oh. See, I put her down again. And she gets mad. She wants to be mom 24/7. Baby. Khaleesi. I can't hold you all the time. I gotta do stuff. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna pick her up again. Come here. Let's see how long it takes her to stop crying. Hey. Oh, I wish you guys could see this. Let me get up here. She likes to stick her little lower lip out. Don't cry. Don't cry. I'm gonna show the camera your lower lip. Are you done crying? Maybe she's done. So this is pretty much how my day is all the time. She, you know, she's fully fed, whatever. Her diaper's changed, and then anytime I try to put her down afterwards, she gets very angry. You get angry, huh? She wants Mama to hold her all the time, and I love it. I love holding her, but sometimes I have to go to the bathroom or I have to eat, you know. So she gets mad at those times. Yeah. And then usually when my mom comes home, which is Khaleesi's grandma, I take my showers while she holds the baby, or we'll be watching Netflix in bed and she'll hold her because she likes to spend time with her. She misses her throughout the day when she's at work. If it wasn't for Grandma, I wouldn't be able to be here with you. It is 11:41. So, in 2.5 hours, I have to have her ready and me ready and her diaper bag ready so we can go into town to go grocery shopping. And I don't know what else they have planned. I also want to come home, put everything away, because I would like to go take her to the park. And I have to wash my pump parts as well. So yeah. I'm going to put her back in her bassinet. So she's not crying right now. And when I put her in, she'll cry. She's going to be crying here very shortly. Let's see how long it takes. Probably not that long. And Chloe is right there. Oh. Let's focus. Right. Now she's crying. It's okay. Sometimes I think she needs to learn how to comfort herself or soothe herself. Yeah. Yeah, soothe. Let me find a pacifier. I don't really like giving it to her all the time though. That's her little trick, ain't it? Here you go. She is taking it. Aw, baby. Now she will spit this out. She wants me to be there, holding the pacifier in for her. So she's good right now. She spits it out. Okay, here you go. No, she will spit out and start crying. But anyways, I'm going to get her diaper bag ready.
Milk, eggs, rice, and chicken, Brandon said.
Okay.
You still got all...
Alright, so my mom just texted me. She's gonna be here shortly, so I've got to get myself dressed. I just put Khaleesi down in her bassinet, and so I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna get her dressed. And she's... Hello, Khaleesi. Hello. Don't get mad. I gave Khaleesi her little Minnie Mouse little jingle rattle, and she's sucking on her arm or her hand. Yeah, she's so freaking cute. You're so cute, baby. She's like going for it. Aw, she's getting so older, like, you know, she's going so old and so fast, and I just wish it would slow down. Alright, so I'm coming over here to her little clothes rack, and most of these are clothes that she hasn't worn yet, and I think I'm gonna put this little outfit on her. Hopefully it'll fit. It says 0 to 3 months, but anyways, let me put this on her. So this is Khaleesi's outfit of the day. Her little onesie and her skirt, and it doesn't have like bottoms in it, and I don't like it when her diaper shows, and so I put these little tights on, and it is getting more cooler out and chilly, so she'll be wearing these a lot. But yeah, and it keeps getting little boogies. They're easy to grab, which is gross, but whatever. Alright, so yeah. Now I'm gonna get her diaper bag ready again. Ew, I need to get the makeup off my face. Anyways, Mom says she's gonna be here in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna try to pump real quick while Khaleesi is right here being very good. And hopefully I get done in time by the time she gets here. I just pumped a little bit under half an ounce in like not less than 5 minutes, so I gotta go downstairs and add this to her bottle, and then I'm not sure. I will probably I only have like probably an ounce and a half for her, but that's just so we can go into town. If I have to, I'll breastfeed her in the car before we leave or after we leave the store. Alright, so we're off to Walmart right now, and I got Khaleesi buckled in. And we're going to go get some recipe or ingredients for our recipe.